Hey everybody, all you Trelloing together ladies. So I just decided to make a quick video, really just to like walk through here and play around. I wonder if I can move this thing. I can. So Valerie just filled out my form, so I was gonna copy her board, and I thought I should just go like film my screen here, film my screen quickly, and just walk with you and play with you in this Trello board so you can kind of get more of a feel for it. So I have Valerie's. Sorry for using you, Val. I figured it'd just be good to copy a board and show everybody. So here's how I make a board. Like literally when you have, sorry, this thing only films part of my screen. So here's my new team member training board. Like I said, right here where I put all your names, like Valerie's new team member training board, Jen's new team member training board. Obviously, you can take your name out of there. This is just my template board, and I was just making one for you guys. So feel free to rename that, take your name off it. Doesn't matter if it's there or not. But when you have a new team member, you go in your back office and you see their email address. This is literally how you do it. Oh, where did this come from? I'll find it. Okay, so you hit more, copy board. I'm going to call it Valerie's. Now, if Valerie was a new consultant, I would call it Valerie's new consultant training. That's probably what I would do. Valerie's new consultant training. That's it. But because I'm making this for you guys, I'm going to call it Valerie's team, new team member training board. Always keep one for yourself. I mentioned that before. Always keep a copy so that you are able to, you have it as a template. You know, if you ever want to change something in here or add, something somewhere in one of these lists, add a new card, move cards, like if I wanted this card to go here instead, if I do it in my template, then at least I know it's always the same. So when I copy it for any newbie, then I know it's going to be the same. So keep a template. All right. Now where did this go? I clicked off it, so it was mad at me. Okay, we're going to do it again. Valerie's new team member training board. Okay, and you're going to do that. Now, teams. I am on Team 7. I'll explain this to you. So with Trello, the free version, you can have as many teams as you want. I'm guessing it's infinite. Maybe no one's ever tried infinity here, but as many as you want. Each team can have 10 boards. So all of these teams of mine are filled up because I made all you lovely ladies 2 boards. So I have to go Team 7 now. I'm going to move my screen and go down here and hit create. That's as simple as this is. This is going to make Valerie's new team member training board. It takes a moment. It says copying up there. You'll think it's not working, but it is. And then literally I go invite, copy, paste her email, send. Now that invitation goes right to her email, just like all of you got. And some people won't know it's there. Like when people have invited me to their Trello boards before I understood it, I was like, oh, I never got it. Yeah, I did. I just had to go to my Gmail and search Trello, and voila, my invitation is there and they have to accept it. So it's neat. Let me just peek around here. I'll talk some more, but so these are all my boards. You can see them. This is my biz board. I made you guys all a book biz board. So for you as leaders, let's click into that. This is really cool. Watch this. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Actually, maybe I forget. Somewhere right in here, copy list. I can rename it something, but I wouldn't. But I can make that list. I watched a YouTube video once. I don't remember. I mean, it's somewhere. You just copy your list, and I can copy it, and you can select, and I could select anybody. Like Crystal, this girl is promotion bound for me. I could click her list, and somehow I could copy that. So when she promotes, I'm going to put that team leader training right here as her first column. Look at this girl. So this girl rejoined. She was a book lady years ago. These are all her parties. She actually uses this religiously. Like she's like, Lauren, I made her a Trello board back in the fall. She goes through it and she does this from her phone. So every day she can host as coach. So I can go in, I can see everything she's doing. It's pretty interesting. Let me move this. She must, I don't know. Let's see. Let's scroll down. I never really check in hers. But she just copy pastes right from here daily for her hostess coaching, and she keeps all her parties in here. So that's how people who really use Trello will do it. Anyway, I can copy that whole listing here for her if I wanted to. Once she promotes, I would put this one right in her board. So does that make sense? That's what Bethany Patrick does. Erica will probably tell us that. I love it. Getting started as a team leader. So there you go. These are her boards. Her groups. Now she'll be in Story Tribe leaders. And this is just walking you through because you guys all have this now, but it's nice to have. So when people promote, voila, they're already used to Trello if you've started them out that way. Hold on. So resource from your upline, you do need this right here, this document. If you want to change it, you are absolutely allowed. I changed Erica and Bethany's. So literally just copy paste it into your own Google Doc, an empty one, and edit it. I changed their launch party. I changed the email. So here's a welcome email. And I've now walked a few people through this, a few newbies. And it's pretty good. It was I changed some, but I left a lot of it the same. They had a lot of good stuff on here. Obviously, it's going to be different if they're doing Squee. This is not Squee version at the end here, but I didn't get that far. Both my people so far are launching onto Facebook. Okay. What did I want to show you now? As I told most of you, I did not go through these lists over here. I guess, she was putting it in there in case they do launch people on Squee, but I have yet to go through them. This one is like gold. So I started, a lot of you were in it. Some of you were not, a promotion chat. So for my leaders who did not have execs above them between us, that I did a promotion chat in the fall, and it really helped some people promote. But Bethany has these awesome, I'm going to be doing this now when I start one at the end of January again for February promotions. Well, the month of February for March 1st promotions. Look at this. I love her ideas, and I'm going to be adding to them. I absolutely love her fun ideas she does in her promotion chat. That's why those ladies, they're really excelling. I'm super impressed with those few ladies over there in Story Tribe Leaders. Anyway, okay. They just have great ideas. So this one, read through that. I was like, whoa, am I going to do this? I don't know. I can be honest and say I don't know, but I think it's fabulous. Party task for Facebook parties. Make a copy of this whole list like I showed you. Just literally go to YouTube. Here's what I do. I'll just do it for you. YouTube. This is what I do when I have no idea what I'm doing on Trello, because I'm learning with you. How to copy a board in Trello. And then I hit enter, and you'll find all kinds of how to copy a Trello board, how to copy a board on Trello, and you're going to find copy move list boards. You're going to watch a 5-minute video and you're going to understand it. So I forget. So anyway, you would copy this whole thing. I bet copy. I'm afraid to do it right here. Over onto your new DL's whole board, which is over here. And first 2 parties, and add due dates and labels. I think this is awesome. I haven't gone and tweaked this one much yet, but how cool would that be to put it right over on her board, assign her due dates, and then technically you can click on her board. This is one of my other new ladies. Let's find her. She's way down here somewhere. Okay, so I can see her, what she was doing here. Let's see. Okay, oh no, sorry. Okay, getting started. So I can see what she's done. Check, 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 check. I can see that she has been through all of this. I can see, if I assign her due dates on those cards, I can see that she's doing them. And then obviously I'm still chatting a messenger. I'm like, hey girl, did you pop in? How's your hostess coaching going? Okay, great. I see over in Trello, awesome, you're amazing, that you have, you're on this step, blah, blah. You're still obviously talking to her there too. But so that's how that works. It's really nice, all in one place. Okay, so I wanted to talk about these teams. So as you know, I showed you I'm on team 7. I will have 10 boards. Now, I'm going to leave all of your boards. After we all get rolling, I don't need to be on any of these boards. And I think the way I do that, I watched Bethany's video, was literally I go here, I add Abby, I will add you as an admin to your own board, and then I will leave the board after I'm not an admin. And then those will all leave space, and all my teams will be free again. Not that it really matters. Bethany said she's never paid for this, and she's used it exclusively. And literally you just go here and you hit add a team, and I think I already have 8, so I'm going to say team 9, small business, continue. I'll do it later. That's what I do every time. So there's my team 9. I have no boards there yet, but that's it. That's how simple it is. And you're just going to keep copy paste, making new boards on these different teams. Let's see, here's my team 5 boards. They're not important, but that's probably all you guys, and I'm going to leave them all soon. So that's just a little bit, it helps you feel a little bit more comfortable knowing that, I don't know, this is easy. So anyway, I like this. Let's go back to this Book Biz. These are your recruits and climb. Like when I copied Erica's the one who gave me her boards, but she got them from Bethany, I think, who is her recruit, but really jumped into this Trello. I changed a lot of this to be, oops, I forgot it says Erica. So see, this is what you can do. You can just go into yours, read over it, and change it. Hi, I'm Lauren, your team leader. Great. This flow also goes along, and I edited it to go along with that 12 steps to launching a new team member right here. That is in your resources, way over here, resources from your upline. And this is literally what I've sent out now. I'm working on setting up your board, lets me know, and I changed it out over here actually. So you can like let me know. Okay, so here's what I did. I'll need the email because the last girl goes, I watched it and I'm like, oh wait, I didn't ask her for my email. Let me know once you've watched the tutorial and I'll get you added to your board. I'll need the email you signed up with. Okay, there we go. So see, I can copy paste this to her right now. Once she's added it, I mean, it literally walks you through step by step. I love it. And this can help you track your new consultant. So here I would write Joe Schmo. I'll do it. Joe Schmo. How do I spell Schmo? Schmo. I guess I've never spelled Joe Schmo. And then you can put their ID. Oops. There we go. And that can be Joe Schmo's board. And I can, you know, okay, I did this. Great, I did this. And if this helps you, you know, I'm used to writing things down. I know, Felicia, you said you're a paper pen type of girl. I'm used to my paper and pen too, but some people will love this. So if you're one, there you go. Track your people there. Awesome. And then here, if you need to make more, like when I copied Erica's, she literally had, because it was fall, she probably had 40 people in their climb. These cards went way, way down. And see, she had this one, which I kept, make a copy first. So you don't suddenly go, oops, I have no more open ones. So you always want like a template, a copy, if there's something you're going to be adding to. I feel like that's a good amount of what I can tell you. Oh, Lynn, you told me I should make a video on something. Hopefully I talked about what you said. I can't even remember. This is neat. So if your girl, so if my new girl Sarah puts in her first hostess, if her first hostess is like Jane on 120, I can see that. And I know you probably saw that in Bethany's video. So now I can see, oh, great, her first party is Jane. I can go in and go over to her right here, and I can name it Jane 120, and I can assign due dates. Like, great, on this, here we go. I can assign a due date to this one here. Assign due date. And I can, well, I don't know what that means, but I can assign, somehow I can assign due dates to that for free. And then she'll know, and she'll get a little email notification, but it'll say right here, due on this date, that she has to start the hostess coaching that day. So it just depends. I'm sure everyone will get into it a little more than some. You know, we'll all be different in how much we do. But I think for those organized new team members, this is awesome. And yeah, all right, dears. Well, I hope, please all feel free to ask me questions. I'm off tomorrow, but as you jump into this, I think it'll really, you know, once we have Erica's training on Thursday, that's going to be awesome. What did she say? 1 or 3? I can't remember what time, but she'll be announcing it soon. So, all right, I hope this all helps. Ask me anything.